Carson Rouse from BusinessBuzz here. I'm here in beautiful Florida. I'm near the beach, and this is a pretty special episode because I've never filmed a video in front of the beach, and I'll be talking very personally about how much money I've made on the channel in my first month and talk about my story a little bit. Now, just to start out, I just want to mention that this video is in no way intended to brag or bloat, but instead it is intended to inspire and educate you up-and-coming YouTubers on different tips and just motivate you to get started. I'm just going to be covering some of my revenue analytics, exactly how much I made in my first month of being monetized, and I'll give you some tips and tricks for starting out. Now, of course, the only reason I came to Florida was to shoot this video. I mean, that's the only reason I'm here right now. So for that, make sure you guys go down and click that like button for me. So I would really appreciate it. Now, first I want to just talk about the coming up story of our channel, just tell you how we got started and what's been going on so far. But if you're not interested in that, click on to the next part of the video where I'll be revealing how much I made. So BusinessBuzz is a passion of mine that has been around since June 10th of 2016. That is when the channel was officially started. When the channel first started, me and my brother would literally just upload random videos of whatever the heck we wanted. It could be gaming or product reviews, anything that came to our mind, anything slightly creative, we would make a video on it. However, all of our old videos that don't have to do with our niche anymore have been either deleted or privatized. But if you want me to react to those old videos that you'll never be able to see, I want this video to be at least 75 likes. That's the only way I'll consider doing that. Eventually though, we had a realization that to become successful on YouTube, you need to narrow down your videos to some sort of niche for 99% of people. So we chose the business and finance niche because that's just what we're most passionate about. On July 7th, 2019, a little bit over a year ago, we uploaded our first video in the format you all know and love today, where I stand in front of a camera and talk about different business topics. At the time of our first real upload, we only had 105 subscribers, and that was a long way away from the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours that you need to become monetized. And that was just like our huge goal. We've always dreamed of being monetized on YouTube. We began uploading multiple times a week, and it basically took over the summer. However, by October, I was basically giving up on the channel. We basically quit. You know, I had school, sports, I had so much stuff going on, I had a job that I kind of put BusinessBuzz on the back burner. By the time we quit the channel, we had amassed about 300 subs. By the way, it's raining right now. Florida, it's always raining. But then in March of this year, we were like, you know what? I really don't know what got into us, but we were like, you know what? Let's start back up BusinessBuzz. So in March of 2020, we decided to upload more videos. And actually, in the time that we quit to the time that we started back up, we had actually amassed nearly 200 subscribers. So we were at like 475 subs when we started back up. And last month, we finally hit our goal. In July of 2020, we finally became monetized. There was nothing better than getting that email from YouTube saying that you're eligible for monetization. And now we have just under 1,800 subscribers, and we average over 500 views a day. I figure I shouldn't hold you on too much longer, and now I should tell you how much the channel made in its first month, its first 30 days of being monetized. So from around mid-July to mid-August, BusinessBuzz generated, drumroll please, $163. This number may underwhelm some of you, but it may inspire others just as much. It averages out to about $5.43 a day and nearly $2,000 a year, and we're just getting started. For our first month of making money, I did not expect so much, and I was actually very pleased. Even though $163 isn't a life-changing amount of money, it was enough to inspire me. The reason we made so much money relative to the low amount of views that we get is because we have a very high CPM. CPM stands for cost per mil. In layman's terms, CPM is how much money you make on a video for every 1,000 views that it gets. Every YouTuber that you watch on YouTube gets paid differently. It all depends on their niche, the length of their videos, and how advertiser friendly their videos are. Luckily, the finance niche, the one that I belong to, is one of the highest, if not the highest paying niche on YouTube. And keep in mind that your playback-based CPM is always going to be higher than your actual CPM. Playback-based CPM is how much an advertiser pays for every 1,000 views. but your actual CPM is how much money you get, because of course YouTube takes a cut and it's about 50%. For example, a daily vlogger would be very lucky to receive a $2 CPM, $2 for every 1,000 views, but we average around $10 CPM. In fact, many in the finance community make a $20 CPM. On our channel, we make just over an $11, almost $12 CPM averaging throughout all of our videos. So if you want to guess how much money this video has made, look at how many views it has, divide the views by 1,000, and then multiply that number by what the CPM you think it is. So if you think the CPM is 10, multiply that number by 10, and then guess down below in the comments, and I'll let you know if you're close. But now again, not all of your videos on your channel get the exact same CPM. Some of the videos on my channel have gotten way below a $10 CPM. Some of them have gotten way higher. In fact, about a week ago, I made a video parodying Graham Stephan, a huge YouTuber in my niche, and he actually posted the video on his Instagram story, and it got 6,000 views, and most of them were monetized. So if that was a normal CPM video, we would have made $60 on that video, but we only ended up making around $10 because it was a short comedy video, not a long educational finance video. And now I'm going to talk about some tips for those of you just now starting out on YouTube. Number one, probably the most important, pick a topic that you're passionate about. It is so vital. Don't just pick finance because you heard it makes a lot of money. Pick a topic that you are passionate about to make videos on. Make sure that you are niched down and stick to it, because you're not going to stick to it if you're not passionate about it. Number two, stay consistent. Whatever helps you stay consistent, you need to do. Whether that be setting an upload schedule or setting and making goals, whatever helps you stay consistent is so important, because you just got to stick to it with YouTube, even through the rough times. Number three, be detail oriented. Guys, when it comes to entertainment, it becomes really apparent how low people's attention spans are. You know, I bet you guys are just the same. You go watch a video for 30 seconds and you clicked off. In fact, I'm sure most of you have already clicked off of this video. That's why you gotta be super detail oriented and keep people's attention. Especially on YouTube, there's so much competition. This is why you should take real time writing good scripts, filming your videos with care, and editing your videos hard. It's important to be critical of your own channel, your own videos, and capture their attention. Always strive to make your videos a little better. And again, my videos are not perfect. They are definitely far from perfect. But if you watch a video that I made a year ago, there is insane strides that I have made in the video quality. Number four, have fun. The second YouTube just becomes a job, you know, a chore, that's when it starts to show in your videos. Have fun and be excited. Number five, tag and thumbnail your videos. All the newbie YouTubers that I know that literally just start out never do this, but you're never gonna get new subscribers if you don't tag and thumbnail your video. If you don't tag your video, the only people that are gonna see it most likely are your subscribers, and if you don't have any to begin with, well, you're screwed. And if you don't thumbnail your videos very good, then nobody's gonna click on it in the first place. And your description and title are just as important. The first sentence of your description, extremely important, and your title obviously has to be good. Guys, this is a super unique video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please go down and subscribe, because I want to get to 2K subs really bad. And hopefully I'll be making another video like this soon. Let me know if you'd like to see one like 6 months from now. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.